Today we are having our reggae edition, and there are stereotypes towards that direction. Do we have reggae gospel?
There's reggae gospel, by the way.
Yes.
There's reggae gospel worship music.
All right.
There's dancehall music
Yes.
that is gospel.
What stereotype did you grow up knowing about reggae, Pastor?
That is, you know, when we hear of reggae, what comes to mind is bondage, more of a prison. I'm a prisoner, suffering,
Yeah.
redemption. And yeah, that's what I grew up knowing reggae is all about. But there's more to reggae than the message or than the myth behind it. Yeah. Because music simply means to muse.
Yeah.
So it's just beats, and it's what you make of it.
Yeah.
Amen.
So yeah.
All right.
I like what
That's
you said.
beautiful.
It's just what you make out of it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love it.